What if I told you there is a proven technology that can cut your diesel fuel costs by up to 25%, reduce harmful emissions by 66%, and extend your engine's lifespan? Well, buckle up, because today we are diving deep into the Hydrogen Group's revolutionary fuel enhancement system that is transforming the trucking industry. I'm talking about real-world results from actual fleet operators, seeing payback periods of just 8 to 10 months. This isn't theoretical. This is happening right now on highways across America. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Louis Champagne. This channel is all about breakthrough technologies that are reshaping our world. Today we're exploring something that could revolutionize how you think about diesel efficiency. Here's a mind-blowing fact. In the US, long-haul trucking accounts for nearly half of all on-road diesel consumption and 13% of transportation greenhouse gas emissions. With fuel costs representing 30 to 40% of trucking operational expenses, any technology that can reduce consumption while improving performance is a complete game changer. So let's break down exactly how this hydrogen technology works, what kind of results you can expect, and most importantly, how safe and practical it really is for real-world applications. Now, before you start thinking this sounds too good to be true, let me explain the fascinating science that makes this possible. The Hydrogen Group's fuel enhancement system uses a process called electrolysis to separate ordinary distilled water into its component parts, hydrogen and oxygen. But here's where it gets really interesting. Hydrogen burns 10 times faster than conventional diesel fuel. When this hydrogen-oxygen mixture is introduced into your engine's air intake, it acts like a combustion catalyst, dramatically improving how efficiently your diesel fuel burns. Think of hydrogen as the ultimate wingman for your diesel fuel. It doesn't replace your diesel. It makes your diesel work harder, burn cleaner, and deliver more power per drop. Let me share some crucial hydrogen properties. It burns 10 times faster than diesel. Creates only pure water when burned, odorless and colorless, non-toxic to humans, and has a nearly invisible blue flame. Alright, enough theory. Let's talk real-world results that are making fleet operators absolutely ecstatic. We're seeing consistent fuel consumption reductions of 10 to 25%. Now, let me put this in perspective for you. Some big rigs rack up fuel bills of $10,000 per month. A 20% reduction means saving $2,000 monthly. That's $24,000 per year per truck. But the benefits go way beyond your wallet. 66% decrease in diesel particulates, dramatically reduced harmful emissions, lower greenhouse gas production, and cleaner engine operation overall. And here's something that really excites me as a technology enthusiast. The performance improvements increased power and torque output. The system actually cleans your engine by eliminating carbon deposits, extended engine lifespan, reduced DPF regeneration cycles, and less frequent filter maintenance. Most systems pay for themselves in just 8 to 10 months through fuel savings alone. After that, pure profit. Now you might be wondering, how complex is the installation? Let me walk you through the complete process. First, let's talk requirements. The system draws up to 40 amps from your engine alternator. You'll need 6 or 8 gauge wiring, a 60 MP circuit breaker for safety, and it's compatible with both 12 volt and 24 volt systems. The installation process involves 5 main steps. Location planning, finding the perfect mounting spot that is safe, accessible, and secure. Mounting bracket installation, creating a robust foundation with proper vibration dampening, electrical wiring. This is critical for safety and performance. Hydrogen gas hose installation, connecting to your air intake system. And electrolyte preparation, mixing the KOH solution that makes it all work. But here's something absolutely crucial that I need to emphasize. This must be installed by factory-trained professionals. The Hydrogen Group insists on this for very good reasons, which brings us to our next critical topic. Alright, let's talk safety, and this is where I need your complete attention, because hydrogen is no joke. Hydrogen burns 10 times faster than gasoline, and is explosive at concentrations as low as 4% in air. The flame is nearly invisible, and even a small amount ignites. It creates a concussion that can permanently damage you. Essential safety facts you must know. Absolutely no smoking sparks, or open flames around the system. Platinum jewelry or tools can instantly ignite hydrogen on contact. The gas is odorless and colorless. You can't smell a leak. And it burns, creating ultra-hot steam and plasma. This is exactly why the hydrogen group requires factory-trained mechanics for installation. They understand these hazards and know how to mitigate them properly. During installation and maintenance, you need full face protection, rubber gloves and apron, steel toe boots, and hydrogen sensor alarms for enclosed areas. The good news? The system includes multiple safety features: automatic shutoffs when engine stops, pressure relief systems, quality components designed for automotive use, and no hydrogen storage, produced only on demand. Once your system is professionally installed, operation is surprisingly straightforward. Your system communicates through simple indicator lights. Steady green light means everything's operating perfectly. Flashing green means you need to add distilled water, and red light means you've reached maximum fill. Daily operation is minimal. Check water level at each fuel fill-up. Add only distilled water when needed, and the system has an automatic drain for condensation. Cold weather operation. Turn the winter switch on below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Internal heaters prevent freezing to negative 22 degrees, okay? And below negative 22 degrees, you'll need to drain the system. Maintenance schedule is simple. Daily check water level every 3 to 6 months, replace electrolyte solution, and regularly inspect connections and hoses. Let's crunch the numbers, because this is where things get really exciting. Here's a real-world example. Monthly fuel bill, $8,000, 20% savings equals $1,600 per month. Annual savings, $19,200. System cost $15,000. Typical payback period, 9.4 months. After payback, you're looking at pure profit on fuel savings, extended engine life reducing replacement costs, lower maintenance expenses, and reduced downtime from DPF issues. Now multiply this across a 10-truck fleet. $192,000 annual savings. $1.9 million saved over 10 years, plus environmental benefits and compliance advantages. Time for the questions I get asked most frequently about this technology. Will this void my engine warranty? Not when installed by qualified, factory-trained mechanics. Improper installation by unqualified technicians will void warranties. How much hydrogen does the system actually produce? Just enough to enhance combustion. We're talking about a catalyst effect, not replacement fuel. What about existing emission systems? Actually improves them. Cleaner combustion means less work for your DPF and other emissions equipment. Can I install this myself to save money? Absolutely not recommended. Safety risks are too high, and you'll void any warranties. How long do the components last? With proper maintenance, the system is designed for thousands of hours of operation. What happens if I forget to add water? The system automatically shuts down and water gets low. It's designed to protect itself. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at technology that's already transforming diesel efficiency across America. To recap the game-changing benefits: 10 to 25% fuel cost reduction, 66% decrease in diesel particulates, extended engine life, 8 to 10 month payback period, and professional installation and support. If you're ready to revolutionize your fleet's efficiency, contact the Hydrogen Group to find qualified installers in your area. I've put their contact information in the description below. Before you go, if this video opened your eyes to the potential of hydrogen technology, smash that like button. And if you want to see more breakthrough technologies that are changing our world, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. The future of transportation is evolving rapidly, and technologies like this prove that innovation and practicality can work hand in hand. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.